So welcome back to Ask Daniel Fix. So in today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to check if your TikTok account is UK or US TikTok based account. I'm going to simply show you how to check your region on your TikTok account. So looking right here on the screen, in order for you to check if your account is UK or US based, this is what you need to do first. This is actually a new account. You can actually follow me on this account, Ask Daniel Fix. I'm going to be dropping more content right here, just similar content to what I'm doing on YouTube as well. So you are going to actually find this very insightful. So looking right here at the top right corner, you're going to see the three-line icon right there. If you click on that like this, you are going to see this option of TikTok Studio. If you click on TikTok Studio like this, you are going to be able to see this right here. So if you scroll down a little bit like this, you're going to see this option of monetization. So right here, you can see subscription, you can see TikTok shop for seller. If you're not seeing something like this, it actually means not a TikTok US or UK or France account. So looking right here, you can see creator reward program, you can see creator marketplace, you can see work with artists, you can see gaming incentive program, you can see other services right here. These are ways you can actually get paid on TikTok. If you click on creator reward program like this, let's go ahead and click on it like this. So if you click on it like this, looking right here, it says you are so close to joining creator rewards program. Now if you click on notify me when I'm eligible, they are going to actually notify you when you are eligible. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on that and click on got it. So right here, in order for you to be eligible for the TikTok creator reward, you need to be 18 years old, you need to have 10,000 followers, and you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So once this is done, you'll be able to start earning on TikTok through your views. So going back like this, let me simply go back. If you go to settings and privacy, you can actually check it as well by clicking on account. So if you click on account information, you'll be able to see this account region right here, which says United Kingdom. This actually shows that this is a United Kingdom based account. So if you want a full tutorial on how I created this account, just comment TikTok monetization on the comment section and I'm going to create a full video for you. The process is actually very simple and clear. You don't even need a VPN or any other thing. So this is how simple it is for you to check if your TikTok account is US based, UK or even France. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. You can ask Daniel any question on the comment section. I'll be waiting for you right there. See you in the next one.